Hello from the Eshkol region around the Gaza Strip area. This area has been kind of the front lines of the conflict in our region. Being able to place shelters like these is very much due to your generosity. We wanted to take this opportunity to thank you. This is very important not only during times of escalation, but also peace of mind during the day-to-day when you don't know when things will just happen. And so being able to have a shelter in locations such as children's playgrounds or community centers, just like this, enables people to go to a shelter just in case something happens. We want to thank you very much for your donation, added sense of security for the people of this region. Thank you very much. God bless.